this is what makes the money, you know? All the machines, those are just for looks. This is what makes the money. All right, let's go.
I came home, buck in the back. She's on the porch with her bags packed. She's had enough, she's over me, spending too much time in a pine tree. She took it out of my truck, drove off like Joni Machek. She thought it would kill me, but what's one less 30-06 to a redneck? What's one less 30-06 to a
Okay, I'm gonna do something that's off the cuff. I wanna speak about something that is actually very dear to my heart because of some personal experiences in the past with some friends. So this video is actually sponsored by the Canadian Red Cross. The opioid crisis spread across Canada has gotten out of hand, especially since COVID-19, with 7,560 deaths recorded just in 2021 alone. Opioid poisoning can happen at any time to anybody. You can help by increasing your skills and knowledge about opioid poisoning emergencies by taking the Canadian Red Cross free online training. On there, you'll learn skills that can honestly just save a life. Get trained on how to recognize and respond to opioid poisoning, and receive a free naloxone kit with your online training, which is pretty great. This is kind of a different tone than what I'm normally from, but whenever this email came across, and this is me just talking off cuff right now, the first thing that came to my mind was a time when I was 18 or 19 years old, and me and my buddies were partying, and we were all taking recreational drugs and not knowing what was what, and one of my buddies actually overdosed. And I remember sitting there looking at him, knowing nothing about what to do. The only hope I had was waiting for the paramedics to actually show up, hopefully in time to save his life, which thankfully they did. So that's why this is very dear to my heart. Register for the Canadian Red Cross First Aid for Opioid Poisoning Emergencies at learn.redcross.ca, and with doing that course you will receive a free naloxone kit. All of that will be in the description down below. Housekeeping! You made it.
All balls, no brains.
I'm surprised you did.
Me too.
Snowy this morning. We're at CYRP. We got praying mantis trying to close his door. Grader. Blower. Everybody's here. We got some serious snow overnight. We're gonna get some good plowing footage here.
So Force One, back at it. They gave me a GoPro again. Look the fuck out. Oh my god, Taylor Swift's on. This always comes on when I'm plowing and I fucking love it.
I might be stuck. Oh shit.
You're gonna have to figure that one out on your own, Taylor. Taylor went in the ditch again. Should start a tally.
Wow. Man, this is the second time I've done this. Right off the end of the runway. How the fuck did I do that? And I'm like, these are some big drifts. Why am I going down? I should not have my driver's license. Can't believe I did that again. That's crazy. I just lose sight of like where I am.
Why would you think that going that way there's still road? Like the lights.
Leave me alone!
America got a thing for this gangsta shit. They love me. Black Chuckers, Black Scully, London Pele Pele. I take spit over rainbow shit. I'm a vandal, got that silver duct tape on my tray handle. The women in my life bring confusion and shit. So like Nino and New Jack, I'll cancel that bitch. Look at me. This is the life I chose. Niggas around me so cold. Man, my heart done froze. I build an empire on a load of knocks. Don't know I'm the weatherman. I take that cocoa leaf and make that snow. Sit back, watch it turn the dough. Watch it go out the door. O after O, you know. Homie, I'm just triple beam dreaming. Niggas be scheming. I feel to live the good life.
We're gonna go to the storage now and see how the boys are cleaning up this storm. And we're gonna see how long it takes for Paul to give me shit, because I thought we were floating the skid steer the other day. So I got Daniel to take the blade off and we forgot to put it back on. I forgot to put it back on, so it was all frozen this morning. Wonder if Paul is in the skid steer.
texting. Texting and not plowing. Just 10 centimeters. That's crazy, eh?
If I hadn't had a 4-wheel drive, I wouldn't have got out of my road this morning.
Really?
Oh, yeah, it was fucked.
The drifts were insane.
Well, did you see my video through here?
Oh yeah. Like the drifts even over there were like wild.
Yeah.
It's bad. Did you get your blade on?
Yeah, I had to get it torched. I don't know, some guy took it off and then just left it sitting in the snowbank. Sure who that would have been.
What are you looking at, Kara?
Oh, you got a pastor, do you?
Yeah, I got my daughter with me. Who's that?
Hey! She goes, I can't turn my head like the Exorcist.
I thought you were stuck coming into the gate.
I almost did.
That side was probably way worse than that side, eh?
Yeah, they were like halfway up the door.
Oh yeah. It comes in and it goes.
Yeah,
Leave you to it.
that's good.
The only reason I don't feel bad, not the most fun job shoveling all the doors. Thank you, Zach, I appreciate it. But I did it for fucking like 8 goddamn years myself. And I remember I'd be doing it and I would count each single door. All right, let's go and try to find pow for some fucking, Andre looks like he's just stock bogged right out. He's wiggling the blade to get him stuck. Oh, there's a shot of skid steer, bud. Go get out.
What's going on today, Zach?
Oh, just getting coffee.
Yeah, quick coffee run at Tim's.
Plowed in the morning on our way to finish the septic up.
That's right. Fucking breckies. So, Richmond Road Septic just slammed a breakfast Sammy into me. Now we're gonna go talk to Foreman Corey. He's currently grading the bed out. 325. Getting after it. Look at that. Gorgeous. Oh, it's about to hit me with the bucket. We're just gonna get right in his way here.
Bro, you want your excavator?
I don't give a fuck. I'm a YouTuber now.
I'll just run him through the scales and I'll meet you back down there.
Fuck Andre, he can wait. Oh yeah.
There's a couple spikes on the scale here.
Oh, I never got out of the truck, so I didn't notice that they were gone. I'm on a rampage here now, getting rid of all of them.
Yeah, I got them all off.
Fuck, Boop, stick your head out the window. Did I lose any?
Oh yeah.
Am I? Oh, tabernacle! Fuck it out. Well, apparently I hit the scale. Going almost an entire year without fucking losing one. First winter, I fucking keep popping them off though. Oh, did you run them over? Fuck!
What's that?
Oh, I was talking to Andre there, Alex, sorry. Oh, I can glue that back on. 5 of them in one shot.
What's going on, Ruby?
So
What the fuck are you doing here? And they wonder why it takes so goddamn long to do anything around here. Look at him. How do you think he reaches from his door all the way down to fucking his cock? Must have a really long cock.
Or they just have really long arms. Well, right now we're spreading our septic fan. We got to get it on grade. And Paul's on his way with some septic stone, and then we'll lay that, and then we'll get our units laid. We'll be on the back.
But there's one that lays by the lamp on the nightstand. One that says don't cuss and don't fight, or let the bottle turn you into a different man. But damn if I don't do it every Friday night. Those get you into heaven, letters in red, and getting red enough to keep me on the straight line. I'm a jack of all trades, but man I gotta say that's one book I didn't write.
These are good.
Don't move. I'm awesome. You don't move.
Fucking move.
Oh, Jesus.
normal, right? That's what people do at work.
80% dick.
Right in the face.
Hey, fellas, how's it going? There's a bunch of cool dudes just working, doing cool stuff. That's all. Why is no one paying attention to me? See how long it takes for someone to acknowledge me. I was making jokes and then he stopped recording. I said, let's see how long it takes for someone to acknowledge me. And I look over and he's like, got the camera at the ground. Good job, filmer.
Is that legal?
What?
Just,
I don't know what you're talking about. Is what legal? Yeah, I read this really good quote one time. I'm just lying, I didn't read the quote, I just heard somebody say it. But it said, if you're in construction and you're making money, you're at least breaking one rule every single day. Like if you followed the OSHA handbook, like to a T, there's no way you're making money. I know every company that I worked for when I lived out west, working the pipeline in the mornings, they'd be like, all right guys, let's not do this, this, this. And then you go to site and they'd be like, nah, do it, just get it done. Anyways, that's my rant for today. Have fun at job site.
We're gonna go check on Zach and Mike's septic completion install, make sure it's all the way it should be for inspection for tomorrow morning. And if it's not, we gotta spank them in the most polite way possible. There you go, I'm gonna pop out tomorrow morning. I'll hang out. And you know the plan for backfill? So it's about 4 to 5 inches on top of the units. Did you check for filter cloth?
Oh shit. I'll do that when I go back.
Good help is hard to find.
I'm just gonna take my knife and cut open one of these hydraulic lines.
Do you have a torch? Did you get the other one? That one's always a fucking bitch.
Got no traction in my Crocs.
You milked the bitch?
Oh yeah, I did.
Oh, I got no traction in my fucking work boots, bro.
Hey guys. Oh, nice.
What you need is big fucking nuts.
Don't have those.
Or a hammer.
Had that.
If it blows off when you're operating, it might not be locked. But it will be self-lubricating at that point. Yeah. So you don't have to worry about greasing.
That's right.
Fuck, I just come in with all the solutions, hey?
There you go. There's dog nuts in my trunk if you guys want them.
No, I'm good. I'm gonna go home.
Alright. See ya.
Okay, bye.
good morning.
The big thing in the sky is making my eyes squint. You know what we need, Louie? Young kids that can lift heavy shit. Why spend money on a gym membership when you can come here, earn money, and carry heavy shit? You got Taylor up there. I think he needs a 325 off. Fucking Rudy.
Failed through on site.
I thought they were replacing you. I would say you're okay. Get Zach to act like a buffer, so if you kill anybody, you kill our guy.
I don't want to stay glued.
You're gonna run out of glue. You got a hammer over there?
Put it back in your truck.
Fuck. We got a septic hammer here. Glue does not like cold. Neither does Corey. So Corey's like glue.
In the wintertime he's glue, and in the summertime he's sugar.
Be a good little TikTok.
I hurt myself again. I need to stay home. We're doing a septic. Shalaberry trench. Pretty much exactly like the one we just did, except for we used poly tanks instead of concrete tanks, but same principle. Trash tank, settling tank, into a bulk filled tank. Out through a force main into a Shalaberry trench, which is those black units. Everything's pressurized, pressure distribution. So right now we're just getting our sand in on grade. And this right now is 6 inches low. So I'm gonna come in here with skid steer, we'll grade all this out. I probably need a little more sand to get the install done. Mike's gonna start trenching the force main over. We got trucks coming. Get this thing installed today.
I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning with a bone dry bottle of Jack Ice pouring. Damn, she got some nerve where she kicked me to the curb. Guess you could say I got what I deserve, 'cause I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning. Yeah. She said don't come home if you go to the bar. So I said okay baby, then got drunk out in the yard. 2 a.m. I knock up on the door. Well, she never unlocked it, guess I don't live there no more. Yeah, she meant business. us this time. I can't believe my bloodshot eyes.
Daniel learned how to weld today too, so that's good.
Yeah.
We're teaching him all these skills here. Should be paying us.
Taylor's teaching me how.
Yeah, because I know how to weld. But that table is going to go right here where the golf cart is. So that's awesome. So we're still working on stuff, get the shop going. We've been away for a while, and we've done some septics, some other random stuff. We had a snowstorm at the airport. Go ahead, Daniel, don't worry about me. He'll just add light. I can't stop looking. I can't stop looking. And then now we are headed down to the site to go see Corey, who's over there, but then Mike and Zach, who are down there installing a Waterloo system into a shallow buried trench system. So let's go get in the truck, let's go down there and see the guys, and hold hands.
What?
Yeah, look at his welds.
Yeah.
Show his welds off.
Taylor taught me how to do that.
Well, I actually did that one.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Daniel did this. Daniel thought that was welded. I said, no, Daniel, that's called a tick.
Sure.
He just ticked it.
I'm gonna tick you.
No, I've been getting a lot of scrutiny of my swearing. And I just want to say from the bottom of my heart that the double champ does whatever the fuck he wants! The double fucking champ does whatever the fuck he wants! You know that? Yeah. Fuck off. Sorry about my swearing. I know it's unprofessional, but I never claimed to be a professional. I have people that work for me that are professionals. Like Brad, like Kyle, like fucking Wooby, like...
I am not a professional.
You're not, I know. Yeah. I overshot that. Wooby's not a fucking professional. But that's okay. And the mullet's gone. Little life update. My wife wanted my mullet gone. By the way, guys, this sounds like one of those stupid plugs. I'm gonna be at Con Expo. If you want to know more details about where I'm at, where I will be, if you want to come say hi, if you don't want to, if you want to punch me in the face, follow me and watch my stories or look for updates on there, okay? And you can punch me in the face. I'll give you a sticker. You think I'll get punched in the face now?
Yeah.
We are pulling up to the job. Brad just texted me and he said, do my job for me. Give the job a once over. So we're headed to this replacement septic where I'm sure you guys saw lots of footage, and I'm gonna give it a once over just to make sure everything looks good to our standards. I know it will because our guys are fucking A1. But let's go have a look-see-loo at our little septi-loo. Hey guys, I'm Terry Osha. Can I see your work permit, please? What's going on there, Danger?
Just laboring.
Laboring.
Apparently he's not as good.
You don't have an excavator here? Oh no, you don't.
No, we got rid of it.
Good.
We don't need
You don't need it. So you're at backfilling stage?
Yeah.
Okay.
Backfilling, clean her up.
Are you gonna put some more stuff, or are you gonna fill that up with topsoil around that lid?
We're gonna shape all this with what we have here. There's a big pile here that we can kind of just take it and make it all gentle. You want to keep going?
We might pull them like maybe like a strawberry bush or a blueberry bush in the spring.
Oh, did we?
We might pull one.
What, you guys try to take them home and plant them yourselves? Or?
Okay,
Okay, so it's gonna look like you guys are gonna clean it up how you would want your house cleaned up?
Right.
Right? It's gonna look really good?
That's right, Zach. Clean her up, man.
My job is done. That looks good. The guys did a really good job. I always like being hard on them, asking them like, did you do that? Did you do this? Did you do that? Rather than giving them, I'll give them a lot of praise when it's done. But these guys nailed it. They did a good job, and maybe I'll give them a bottle of water when they're done. But of course, I didn't forget about you guys, the true patrons of the channel that watch the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patrons, I want you guys to comment down below, black and white. Why black and white? Well, we've been doing a ton of stuff with the color black as far as painting machinery, painting the back of dump trucks. And we've had an amazing amount of the white stuff following. So if you guys watch the entire video to the very end, comment down below, black and white. I appreciate you guys. It's nice to see you again. We'll catch you on the next one. As always, take care.